Hello guys, today we're gonna to test the Mxmoonant Pool Heater. We've prepared a tub and we have fill it with hot water. Cold water will affect heating performance, so we can pretend it's a small hot tub. And we've made a PVC water outlet. Here, we have to note that we should use a circulation pump with more than 300 watts of power. In addition, the pool heater have to be used with a circulation pump rather than booster pump or submersible pump. The inlet and outlet of the item is equipped with a 1.5 inches PVC connectors. So we should use Schedule 40 standard 1.5 inches PVC pipe for plumbing connections. In addition, you need to note the direction of water flow during installation. Here, we come to mains connection. The voltage of pool heater is 220. Since the standard voltage in the US is 110, you will need to connect one ground and two live wires. We recommend that you invite an electrician to help you wiring. Now, we've finished all the installations. We should turn on the circulation system first and then turn on the pool heater. Then we can set the pool heater to 40 degrees Celsius. When the heating indicator light is on, it indicates that the item is heating up. Now the heater is working properly. Thanks for watching.